Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, fuel efficient, and loaded with features. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.